Okay, so this was a rebuild of a 68 class large bobbin. This type of machine here. We rebuilt the machine and equipped it with a servo motor upgrade. This is an EFKA AB600 motor here, 1250 watt section. We're doing a 3/4 by 3/4 box and cross, doing 3 layers with, what size thread is this?
207.
207 thread.
That's just threaded.
Right now it's running at about 700 RPM, about 600 RPM, I'm sorry. It can go up a little bit higher if you need, but for the 3 layers, this is probably a good speed for this machine. One more.
This is 2-ply.
This one is 2-ply. Okay, let me see this material. What we've got here. And so we're going to take that out. That's there. And that's there. Good.